All right, Anthropic just dropped Opus 4.7. I swear, this company doesn't even let me have a relaxing vacation. I just went through the technical blog and I was experimenting with the model yesterday. I think there was three major highlights for me that I wanted to share, and I think how it's actually going to impact just AI and agentic AI especially as we look into the future. Okay, the first thing for me was the fact that Opus 4.7 is 13% better at coding than Opus 4.6. Why this matters and some of the features in the engineering release was the fact that 4.7 is much better at longer horizon like engineering tasks. So, you can actually kind of fire and forget it a little bit more. It's less likely to hallucinate as it, calls different tools. It's also more efficient at calling the right tool at the right time and then being able to reason over the data. So this is a much better, I think, like reasoning model compared to Opus 4.6. So I think there's going to be some interesting changes in how we approach and how much we need to babysit some of these models as they go through some of the engineering tasks. Second, and I'm actually way more interested in this, is the improved vision and multimodal capabilities in Opus 4.7. I'm a big believer that these models and also these like AI applications are moving towards computer use. Computer use meaning that AI can actually control applications on your laptop or web browsers or web pages and interact with them exactly like you would. I think the ability for an AI model like Opus to be able to actually look at a website the same way you do, like visually, like almost like a GUI, and be able to take actions or make recommendations. I think it's very exciting that that is a big push from Anthropic, and I think the industry is heading in that general direction. The third thing that was really interesting in the blog was just how token hungry Opus 4.7 is. Anthropic actually calls it that it might be almost 30% more token hungry than Opus 4.6. Which really is puts into question what it's going to look like when Mythos comes out from Anthropic, their next frontier model. Because right now, if you give the exact same prompt to Opus 4.6 and Opus 4.7, one of them is going to use your weekly and session usage by 30% faster. And so I think we're going to see something very interesting here in the next couple years, where maybe the token cost and usage is going to start equaling people's salaries even. And people might be wanting to kind of swing back the other way, maybe host models locally, use smaller models for specific tasks. Because at the current rate, it's almost becoming cost prohibitive to use and build maybe applications or agents on top of Opus 4.7 without a good justification.